Want a portable tire inflator that actually works when you're stuck on the road? This AirMoto compressor might be the best deal under $60 for drivers. Most people ignore tire pressure until it becomes a problem. Flat tires, slow leaks, wasted gas, even unsafe handling. Today we're testing the AirMoto tire inflator air compressor to see if it's fast, reliable, and worth your money. This compact inflator is small enough to store in your trunk, yet powerful enough to fill car tires, bike tires, sports gear, even quick inflatables. It comes with multiple nozzle adapters, a digital pressure gauge, and bright LED lights for nighttime use. Let's check how it performs on a real tire. Here's a tire at 25 psi, and recommended is 25 psi. 35 psi. Plug it in, 12-volt car outlet. You'll see the digital gauge instantly. At about 33 psi in under a minute. That's fast for a compressor in this price range. The LED light makes it easy to do this at night, too. Pros: compact and portable. Easy to use even at night. Accurate digital reading. Works on car, bike, and inflatables. Cons: slight noise, most compressors do. Best for urgent inflation, not heavy-duty jobs. If you want peace of mind on the road, this AirMoto tire inflator is a great budget buy under $60. Check the link in the description. Hit subscribe for more honest gadget reviews.